I received different varieties of Plumeria seeds, and I'm gonna plant them. First, I'm gonna soak them for maybe a day in paper towels, and these are Ziploc bags. Okay, so these are seeds of Gigantea, and I got these from Brad's Buds and Blooms. And so what I'm gonna do is I have put some hydrogen peroxide. This is hydrogen peroxide, and I put it in a bottle with water, and then I mix it. This is just like an old spray bottle. It's clean inside. I just put and then I put water and H2O2, and I am going to spray the seeds if I can get the water out, and I'm going to fold it. I don't have a better spray, so that's what I have. And I'm gonna let it soak like that. Yeah, okay, need some more over here. Okay, so yeah, then I'm just gonna let it soak, but I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag now and just leave it in the sun. And it's a very, very sunny day, and I'm gonna leave it in the sun outside. Okay, these ones are really cute. These are Moraine 27 seeds. So I'm just gonna show you the seeds now. And so yeah, I'll spray these and put them outside in the sun, and maybe tomorrow I'll plant them in soil. Okay, so these are Sherman seeds. What I noticed about Brad's Buds and Blooms is that even if you order 10 seeds, you'll probably get 12 or something like that. I ordered 20 of the Sherman. And of course the seeds don't, the seedlings aren't true to the parent. But anyway, I have like 25, maybe, seeds here actually. These are the last ones that I ordered. This is Maui Beauty. These are the smallest seeds that I've ever seen. Here I am in my balcony, and I already potted up the Plumeria seeds. So, for example, these are the Maui Beauty seeds, and so I mixed some normal potting soil with sand. Like I had some pre-made cactus soil already, so with cactus soil and extra perlite, and then I wet the soil, and I just plop the seeds in like that, and just pinch the soil all around the seed. So yeah, these are the Sherman seeds. These are all Gigantea, but at the end there's some Moraine 27, and this is Moraine 27. These are some seedlings from last year. So this one is Maui Beauty. It's a little seedling. It's spring now, so they're hopefully going to come out of dormancy. It's like I've left them. These have stayed semi-dormant. Forgot. This one, the name rubbed off, so I'm not sure what it is. But yeah. And so as you can see, they've been very, very dry. They've been kept very dry as well, because anytime I gave them a little bit of water, they just rotted so quickly. And so I'm very hesitant to water them, because I don't want to lose them. Oh, this is a Mardi Gras seedling. And I have a desert rose here too. So yeah, in the winter I bring them in and I keep them over a radiator, actually, in the window as well. And these are my other plants. This is my balcony. So yeah, it's spring. A daffodil is about to bloom. So actually here I have that mixture of H2O2 and water, and I'm just gonna spray it a little bit. That's another seedling that I dropped the top of because the top rotted. But the stem itself is good. So we'll see what happens with that one. I don't know what's going to happen. I hope it survives. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. And every day maybe I'll just spray it with the hydrogen peroxide and water. Ciao, ciao!